Welcome to our Shopify tutorials. Today we will learn how to retrieve a list of abandoned checkouts with Postman in Shopify. Collecting this data is so important for all businesses to implement remarketing. Otherwise you will lose a lot of customers. Now we will retrieve a list of abandoned checkouts with the Postman. You can watch this video to learn how to access Shopify API. After you have accessed the Shopify API, create a new get with this endpoint. Then click Send. As you can see, the API will return a list of abandoned checkouts, includes all information about the customer, product, and many related elements of the buying process. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video about Shopify API. If you have any suggestions or questions, give us in the comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bihixa, connecting applications, automating processes.